Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller off and removing any cable. This prevents shorting. Once done, flip the controller and unscrew or unclip the backplate. Use a small Phillips or Torx depending on model. You should see either 2 AA cells or a rechargeable pack. Make sure to have fresh AA batteries oriented correctly or a charged battery module ready. This step avoids rework and protects contacts. After opening, inspect the compartment for dirt or corrosion and have a cloth handy to clean gently. Next, remove the old power source by gently lifting out AA cells or sliding out the rechargeable pack. You want to avoid bending contacts. When inserting AA cells, match the plus and markings precisely. Improper polarity prevents power and can damage electronics. If using a rechargeable module, align the connector and press until it clicks, then tuck wires neatly. Once done, inspect contacts. If they look green or crusty, clean with a cotton swab and isopropyl. Let dry before reassembly to ensure solid connection. Finish by snapping or screwing the backplate back into place. Tighten just until snug to avoid stripping plastic. You should then power on the controller and confirm LEDs or vibration respond. If necessary, repair to the console following usual sync steps. If the controller still won't power, swap the batteries into a different device to verify they're good or try a known good battery pack. One key troubleshooting tip: if power is intermittent, a loose connector or dirt on contacts is the most common culprit. Reopen and reseat cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.